Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, December 15th. I was looking for an unchanged, to possibly higher type day for Friday. Well, you can see here we had some fundamentals coming out. We also had crude oil prices going lower, which drags down those energy stocks. And we can see the kind of behavior we had here on Friday. Up is not exactly what you would call this, right? So we did see a break. The issue for me is how we took out these previous lows. I'm actually looking for an update on Monday. I know I keep seeming to talk about things on the positive side. I just feel that way about these stock indices. The underlying foundation, I believe, is still in place. So I'm not looking for further movement to the downside, but rather an update for Monday. Let's take a look at those currencies. Also, the euro tried to firm up a bit. I don't think there's paper behind it. I'm looking for a down move on Monday for that market. If we look at interest rates, this makes sense. This rally makes sense in terms of how it moved the 10-year interest rate prices for the 10-year note. I'm not looking for follow through. I'm looking for a sideways move on Monday. Also, gold breaks to the downside. As I said, I think this is a market that wants to go higher. It just hasn't had a reason to do it, and I'm expecting right now over the next week or so for us to go sideways in that market. The bias is still to the upside. If we take a look at energy, well, here's where we are. We're below 60, and actually we traded below 58. So interesting setup. It has reverberations globally when we see this kind of action, but I believe it's in a territory where it should be. For those of you who have followed me for the last few years, you know I've been talking about this kind of behavior, and I'm still expecting the market to stay in this price range, if not get weaker on Monday. When it comes to the grains, a sideways move for soybeans, that's what I'm looking for on Monday. That concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again. Have a wonderful weekend, and in the meantime, take care.